Okay. Hi guys, hello, welcome everyone. Happy to be live again today. Let's go for a trading session on prop firm challenge once again. So the goal is to push from 10k to 11k in my case, and then I will claim for $100,000 payout. So I hope you are doing well for today. We'll wait for a few minutes for people to come, because also I need to stream on X. But I think, yeah, okay, it should work now. Nice. Okay. Perfect. Up. So let me know if it's working well on your side, and we can start. We'll wait for a few minutes more before to see some good trade if you want. And of course, as promised, we have the live giveaway also for 10k 10k challenge account, which should be here with challenge rouge. So I will explain once again. So let's start in a few minutes. And by the way, don't forget to sign up using the Mubite referral link on CryptoJobs code, and you will be likely picked for 10k account giveaway, 2-step challenge. Hope the rules are here. And if I'm right, the challenge price is up worth $109 per giveaway, so we will deliver 3 of it today. So stay tuned. We can start in a few minutes, and you can find my link to sign up here inside the YouTube channel. Let me post. Nice. And let's say in 4 minutes, yeah, at 10 we are gonna start the good job. And by the way, if you have some question, I will try to answer as I can. Hop. I will show you also my ALGO short position currently. And up, I'm just, yeah, it should work on, okay, I'm live on, click on X also, very nice. Up, let's go. So if you don't know about Mubite, so it's a crypto trading prop firm. Why I say crypto? Because years ago it was not so famous. All DeFi stuff are now working perfectly to see aggregator crypto trading matching with prop firm, because in the past it was mainly famous on stocks market for big account, but now you can trade. For example, with a 10k account or $100k account for some, yeah, let me show you. For some low prices, you can buy a challenge and you can trade without KYC on account size of your choice. You just have, let me recap quickly. Up, if you go here, for example, you have 3 different type of challenge: instant funding, 1-step, 2-step. So this is for Mubite, and each type of challenge have different rules regarding the drawdown, the risk management, the payout, and the max profit split also. But you can review the rules here. And before we start, you can find also the prices here. So for example, I'm currently trading with an instant funding account. So in my case, it's a 10k account. rules are, if I can say, better to my side because I'm coming from crypto, of course, but max drawdown is 10%. So meaning that as long as I keep performing with this account, I can claim my payout. Using my code, you have 20% discount on each challenge price, you see. I will move on a $100,000 account later on, but that's pretty cool. You trade using Binance and Bybit liquidities, demo account on Bybit, and for Binance, you can trade with an aggregator, if I can say, using Bybit liquidity. So you have the same UX as any top tier SEX, so exchange like Binance, Bybit, BingX, inside Mubite platform. Okay, so once you sign up for any challenge, you will receive an email showing you how to sign up, how to link API for Bybit, or how to use Clio to trade with this account. So for example, you see I have this challenge active. Hop, started with 10k, I'm now at 10.6k. So I will claim my payout at 11k. So you see day by day, risk management applying. I make my my gain every day, and I will claim my payout. You see, very easy, same UX. You can trade up to 600 pairs, so that's very clean. So if you are interested, use my code and let's start. So for today, if you have any question, I can answer quickly. And if you have some chart requests also, we can trade live together. So let's go. Allez, let's go. If I can say, c'est parti. I'm fine, thanks. Brown, and you? And as you can see here, yeah, something I noticed. Also, be cautious with the instant funding challenge, because as you can see up here, because I'm on this account, I noticed that, yeah, you can see I already reached 10.5k, so 10,500. So the max drawdown now dropped to 5%. So from 10k to 10.5k, you have 10% max drawdown, but now it's becoming more serious because I only have 5% max drawdown from this position. So if my account size drop to 9,975, then the challenge account will be vanish. So that's pretty cool, because if I'm consistent, even if I push to 15k, the account, I can keep making profit and I could increase the max drawdown, because, for example, if I push to 20k, the limit for the challenge break will be set at $9,975. So that's pretty cool. So as long as you don't gamble and you remain serious over time, there is no reason to lose, because even if you make slow profit daily, then you will have a bigger margin to increase your risks. But because I know most of crypto traders like to increase the risk with the gain. I also failed one time this challenge because I pushed to 11k, but I increased the risk, and during the day it dropped under 10k, so up the account has disappeared, so that's not a problem. I should have claimed my payout before, but that's how it is. Let's move on ALGO, because I'm currently shorting it twice. I open a first position, $100, 10x. Here I think it's gonna retrace, even if it's very bullish, because we haven't seen any break and retest. So as you can see, we have a bull katana daily. ALGO is gonna fly because, as I mentioned, we are on a very nice yearly demand zone. As you can see here, we broke a 230-day trend line exactly here and retested it, as you can see. So we have also a bullish divergence on the weekly basis. Usually when you have such a reversal, in 90% of cases, yeah, it's almost even if you take this point above. Usually, yeah, with such a clean chart, you very often, like 90% of time, you are, yeah, thank you for the comment. 90% of time we are seeing a retest of the break, and as you can see here, we broke the bearish trend, bearish momentum shifted, and I think if you look at the chart, retest of the SSB, first point, daily, I think we are gonna see a retrace. Look at the RSI on the H1, very overbought. Bearish divergence on the RSI. Look at the H1 candle also. Looks like a reversal point. So my take, I'm shorting, yeah, for maybe 6 to 8%, around 0.097, as you can see here. Once it will start to dump, then I think it will dump very fast because the trend is very bullish. But if we are seeing a sharp drop, then a fast quick pump, it will be good for the next. So my take is bearish here and bullish after this retest, because all the charts I showed you. So that's why I opened, yeah, a third position, but it was too soon. This one is printing, maybe, yeah, starting to print. $100 10x here and $550 10x here. So I reduced the risk management, as you know, because I'm above 10.5k now. So let's see how it goes. If you want to follow, do it at your own risk, because this is not financial advice. As always, I'm just sharing my own idea. So before you trade, even if I have very nice chart ideas, I'm not responsible of any of your losses, and be aware of it and be careful with your own trade. So let's continue. If you are seeing any good chart, let me know. We are gonna continue up. We are gonna continue to analyze the market, because I need to push this account at 11k to claim my payout. So, oh, I see Blur. Oh, 80 million volume this day, and yeah, 42%. So that looks interesting uptrend. Let's see if we can do something with. Nice. You see, same as many alts who are broken out. We have bullish katana daily. We are inside the cloud, so very neutral. So as long as the daily close did not confirm the break above 0.02050, this area will be very tricky. It looks like, if you look at the structure, we have a clean bearish divergence on the 15 minute, likely indicating that the main momentum, the first pump is likely over, and we are now consolidating before the next move. This chart structure also looks like a bearish one. Why not to see something like this? Of course, I will confirm. So that just idea that I materialize, if I can say. 5 minutes, we are still inside the bull channel, still bullish above the cloud. 15 minutes, still bullish, so there is nothing to do yet. As you know, when we are inside the cloud like this, it's very complicated, because we are neutral and we could see a lot of fake move. But if you look at the daily, my take is clearly bullish above this point, and we can target the SSB here, so 0.035. So likely, instead of shorting, if the trend remains solid, I already saw many times this kind of pattern. first bullish above this zone. So if the price consolidate inside this structure, we could see a pump like that. But as we are neutral in the daily, I strongly prefer to wait for, even if it's a price manipulation, a retest of this zone, because currently it's very hard to find the next direction. But the momentum is still bullish, so shorting it will be likely very risky. As you can see also, look at the H4. That's typically a clean bull break and consolidation. If you look at the H4 view, yeah, it looks very nice. You see, we are above previous big level. This candle indicating a clean break. So if this sideways phase keep on going above that zone, yeah, it will likely confirm another big push. But as we are trading the short term here, it's very complicated to define when to enter, especially if you want to enter now. So I hope you get me with my explanation. And if you have some question, don't hesitate to ask. I can answer. Maybe swing position here will be the best spot. Maybe a 30%. It's possible to see a 40% move because we have the good volume. Yeah, you see the volume. I think. Oh yes. Look at the volume on the daily basis. You see. Last time it exploded like this. It was here, and we saw a 45%. But yeah, crypto is very manipulated. So the worst part is to take accurate entry, because with my strategy, the vision, I have the global vision about almost 80% of time on plus, but it takes years to find the best entry point, especially for the short term trade. So I will keep it with an alert, maybe 0.022 up, and if it dump, I will look for a bull position around that zone. One other chart very interesting is XPL. Also, I'm in position on another exchange, so it's a DEX. No need to KYC. It's a DEX here, so very nice exchange. Same UX as BingX and more, backed up by BingX, and it's a DEX. So if you want also a nice exchange to trade on, you find my referral code in X. And up XPL, yeah, I will show you. Maybe I will open. Yes. XPL looks nice. As you can see, didn't I open XPL already here? Let me check. Yeah, I did not have open XPL, so that's nice. I will do here. Because if you look at the chart, yeah, I have this setup, but yeah, you see the lagging span H4 close inside the Kumo above the Kijun. Usually that's a very nice sign for early break. Hop, as you can see, my target here for the short term is, yeah, this level. We are creating a new trend, maybe 15%. That's nice. If you look at the daily, we have a room open for a pump toward, yeah, 0.1030, 0.1050, so that's cool. Weekly basis, clear consolidation on weekly low. Look at this point, marking a low and higher low. I think, yeah, so as long as we are above 0.084, I think, yeah, XPL is gonna make a move. Maybe you have this uptrend, but it will be a weak level if we have some volume. But I think that it's totally possible to see a push toward that level. Yeah, for XPL, for many reasons I posted. And if you look at the monthly, that's crazy to see. Wow, we are just trading here Imagine if bulls are back, that's absolutely insane. So when you dezoom the chart, all crypto are very, very trash. That's insane. But I think this kind of structures looks very nice for a bull reversal. Yeah, it looks like we have a lower low here and a higher low here. So I think like ALGO, we could see some bull relief during the few days. Maybe it's not the best entry for the very short term, but why not? Why not? So let's go. I will open one first entry, 3% target. Yeah, okay, so I will do it twice. 500 and not 1000. I will TP 3%, so $15. Okay, as you can see, hop. I'm not posting stop loss because I'm confident to say, and I will close. Maybe I will put stop loss under the low, but there is very few risks to dump 10% and more because we are above weekly levels. So I will secure stop loss later on or close at when I decide live. So I open a first position here and I will open a second around that zone if we dump. So that's good because you see I spotted a bull reversal. We are still technically in a bull momentum, so I don't know if the price is gonna pump yet or not. So instead of waiting for lower entry, I divide my bag in two. I enter the first time here because my target is only 3%, so we can very easily push 3%. And if the price hit my target, then I won't be greedy. I will likely wait for other lower entries. And if not, as my setup is bullish, I will open another entry around there. So that's why instead of putting 1000, I just open $50, 10x. Yeah, so 500 in total margin. So let me know if you have some question. Yeah, don't forget to sign up using my code. Hop, let me share the code for the giveaway. That's very important. Hop. Dashboard, affiliate, up, and yeah, so you can, even if you don't pay for the challenge, you are not forced to pay anything. Sign up in our database. We will have a record of each sign up users, and we will drop 3 10k, so $10,000 account for winners. So that's free, that's a giveaway worth $300, so don't forget to sign up and use my code if you are interested to do any challenge with Crypto Jobs code, meaning that you can have 20% rebate on each challenge. So I would like to find a live setup. Oh, MORPHO is moving, nice. Nice. MORPHO is up 10% today. So this is a classic configuration before to see a new high. We are on the daily. You see, we have the breakout above Kumo, retest of the SSB. Usually, if this level match, meaning that we can continue the trend. Yeah, also if you look at this, oh, this is only that historical data on MORPHO. Looks good. If the DeFi and if the transaction volume explode, especially on the staking, I think MORPHO is the L2 layer 2 staking protocol on Ethereum, if I'm right. So if user volume explode, more and more people will likely tend to stake on MORPHO, which will generate revenues for the protocol also. It looks like, yes, above this level we are bullish. Weekly also about to flip. As you can see, we have up. Yeah, golden pocket retest, fib retest. That's nice. from the previous break, as you can see here. So we can have complete the bearish trend. So MORPHO looks nice. We also broke. Nice. We broke also above the main H4 downtrend. So it can be a bullish move. Difficult to say if it's a true break or not right now. It looks like yes. But on the H1 we can still dump few percent more. So difficult to say. Yeah, you see the lagging span. For the bull case, we must need maybe a bit more time. If the price consolidates here, if the lagging span confirms the break of the trend, you see that hidden resistance. Up, you report the lagging span here, and it closed. It gets stopped exactly at the downtrend. So it's usually a kind of bearish test, bearish retracement, and if we succeed to break later, the trend will be reversed and we will confirm another move. But sometimes it's a bearish test before to see a new low. So we have a bad timing here. The bull entry would have been here in my case. So yeah, maybe we can see it, but I'm not so confident. We are also inside the Kumo. So remember, inside the Kumo, we can move sideways during the day because this is a huge neutral zone with high volatilities. Even if you look at the volume, volume is low, but technically, yeah, usually it's a best place for accumulation, meaning that you don't have any direction inside the structure, inside the Kumo. I can check KOAI if you want. Yeah, let's go for KOAI USDT. Oh, I like this chart. Oh, double bottom daily. Just by the H4 you can see that's likely, yeah, a trend break and maybe an accumulation structure if the channel hold. That looks good. I need to confirm, yeah, because KOAI, if you look at the monthly view, yeah, it's terrible. I know it's a manipulated asset, but it looks like a bull structure. Yes, we have a bullish alert for KOAI. Nice. Thanks for the KOAI view. If you look at the daily, I think, yeah, it's clear. Yeah, 7%, that's good for us. Targeting 3% is good. If you look at the exact daily view, we have a double bottom. Momentum is likely shifting on the H4, not confirmed yet, but usually it's very good when you have consolidation above 10 Kanki June, you enter inside the Kumo. Yeah, KOAI is likely gonna pump a few percent before maybe another crash. That's nice. And yeah, does it look like an ascending triangle also? Can be. Yeah, if you look at this structure, I see something like this. Up. Can be. If you look at the structure, it's bullish, not bearish. Ascending. Let me know if you like my technical stuff. Yeah. And if you are gonna take any position. So yes, we are still at resistance, but I think it's gonna be break. Same as we are at resistance, I will do this here twice. Yeah, you see, even if I have a 7% stop loss, it covers me because we are far above, we are under a weekly low, so there is very few chance to dump under that weekly low, especially if the market is gonna be green again. So that's nice. Typically a coin I like to trade even on the short term, medium term. Yeah, we are red now. Oh, let's go. So I open same 3% target. Okay, and I will put 8% stop loss. Let's go. As you know, stop loss. Usually I don't set stop loss, it's just to cover in case of very bad move, because I managed to close on my own. Okay, for KOAI, so I open my first position, and I will do likely DCA around this one. So yeah, that's nice, very nice pick, I think. Breakout not confirmed yet, but if you align my stuff, my setup, it's likely gonna happen today or soon. We talk only about 3%, so I won't be surprised to see the TP hit very soon. Let's go for another one. Sometimes it's hard because, as you can see, the trend has not reversed. We are at resistance, but if you don't know in which side there is more probability, you won't be able to trade like I do. It's more complicated. It's a bit complicated to trade here. It's better to trade a very nice trend asset. Much easier, but I remain confident because the chart structure is good. Even if it dump, I don't care. I just open tiny amounts. As you can see, I already made $600 on this account using this strategy. So this is how I play. Syrup, maybe. Also, I should take care to not open so many positions, because margin is increasing each time I open a position. So Syrup is showing double bottom sign, very clean, you see. Yeah, double bottom on the daily basis. Okay. Oh, I like this. Yeah, you see, this is a reversal structure also here, usually indicating that the momentum is shifting very cleanly. You see the lagging span confirming the breakout. Okay, close above cloud plus prices plus retest of the trend, very clean. Supports are here, so I think Syrup is gonna push higher. We are still under resistances, but same, the structure looks very clean. Yeah, but we have the daily. Yeah, we can get stopped around that zone. That's why lagging span under prices never good on the daily, because you can see a reversal structure on your chart. Trend can shift and momentum on the, let's say, H4, H1 view, but if you have this daily resistance, you can get stopped and you can see a sharp retracement. So under 0.2180, that will be a bit tricky for me to enter inside. So if we confirm further bull pressure, then yeah, then we could target higher. But here we can see a price rejection around that level. But for the next, if bulls consolidate above this zone, that will be a very nice place for orders, as you can see. So let me know, what do you think? Up, I'm trying to find live setup. It's still hard to do. What else? Up, just sharing some stuff. Up, and yeah, maybe yeah, thanks for sharing. Yeah, you have each week your chance to earn an account. Oh, Blur is still very bullish. Yep. Maybe I'm too cautious, because as I learned for many years, I've been liquidated so many times. So now, even if I have a good daily view, I remain very cautious on my entry, and that's not. Sometimes it can be good because you avoid you avoid big mistakes, but sometimes it can also make you lose because you miss the trend. So maybe Blur looks like this, and it already completed the retest. Sad I did not enter earlier, it would have been TP1 already. But yeah, my final target on Blur is 0.3050. I think it's gonna explode, yeah. If you look at the chart, volume is very strong. Yeah, can be. What is the spread? So here the price is 0.26. What is the spread? If it's negative, I will FOMO. Oh fuck. No way. If I check the spread, I would have entered. I did not see. I never think about it because fuck. I missed big move because if I saw earlier on that the price was at 0.23, I would have opened a long for sure because the price here is 0.25, meaning that when you have a bullish structure on the H4 and long-term trend, you know that for sure almost the price is gonna continue to pump on spot. So meaning that even if the price correcting on spot, this one on future won't correct because it's highly negative, so it will average, so you have an arbitrage. And this is usually the best call I made because it's very easy. You spotted a long-term reversal in trend on spot. If you have a very negative spread on futures, you don't take any risk because if you have a clean trend on spot, the price is gonna keep climbing and the average, the arbitrage is gonna take place on futures. So even here, I think, yeah, you see, I will likely enter if it's good, if it goes red, yeah, because I will average. Maybe it's a bit FOMO. Let's say 0.04027. Yeah, let's do it in two parts, not FOMOing. Okay. It could have been 6% gain already. This is usually a very, very profitable chart because you don't take much risk. As I said, because the price can remain maybe 2, 3%, 5% under the spot price. And if I'm bullish on spot with clean trend, meaning that people are late, so you have more buyer on spot than futures. It's how I see it. And if you have a clean trend, usually that's pretty easy to, yeah. I won't post, yeah, take profit. Let's say 3% only. My bad. I should have checked it before. Okay, so I put limit order here and 3% target. So that's the first trade. Let's see how it goes. Maybe Syrup looks very clean also. What is the up? If I trade on Clio, if I put another chart. Okay, you see the price is pretty similar, so there is no hype yet. Let's wait for lower entry. My bad. Could have been a very nice play. Up, yeah, up also. Oh, what the fuck? What is this pattern, guys? Name it, please. Oh my god. How to play? I think that many gamblers are opening 30 leverage, 20 leverage. How can they earn like this? Putain, guys. Yes, let's talk my entry. Mountain climb pattern, yeah. What the fuck? Oh, you are joking, but yeah, You see why I will never enter in such a coin, because lagging span is giving you the confirmation. You see, the previous K level was here. Exactly. Look at the lagging span on the H4 outlook. We closed slightly under, exactly at the, under the K resistance. So you have a sharp pump, sharp rejection. So what can happen now is that we can retest the break and confirm it, but with such a bearish pressure, it looks like manipulation. So if you are taking long entry right now, it can be very tricky. Maybe if we hold above this low, we can see a pump, but yeah, if you look at the H1, but we have daily resistance. You know what? I will try. Yeah, I will try a bit, because we are still technically bullish on the H1. I will try. Let's go. Let's try. Let's have some fun together. So 500 only. So maximum. So it is only. Yeah, $50 10x. So you see that it's clearly nothing for the challenge. Oh, 3% is so high here. Okay, so I entered on app. Yeah, no spread, targeting. Oh, 3% is big, but I think we can do it, because usually it's good when you have such manipulation. Trend looks still clean. We almost confirmed the break. So usually in such a scenario, if you have some volume, it can be just a trap before to see a new pump. Because if you look at the daily, yeah, still stuck. But altcoin market is likely gonna regain in colors. So let's see. Oh, ALGO is dumping nicely. Yeah, that's cool. And I will put stop loss also to cover, because we are not aware to see very bad big move. Yes, I can check gold, silver, and oil. I will do weekly review. So on my website, I will have a weekly hub highlighting. I will record video on Bitcoin, Ethereum, oil, silver, and gold maybe each week. That will be much better, explaining my lines and my view on a video record. That will be much better. Yeah. So, okay, I think I'm in position on Blur. Ah, not yet. Ah, no way, please, that cheat. Maybe I will FOMO a bit, yeah. Because 44. Oh, no, I will wait. Let's wait. Let's not be greedy. So you see, I have many positions open. Margin is $500, so $50 10x. So $50 10x is 500, and 500 I only risk 0.5% total if I get liquidated on one position. So regarding the max challenge size, so this is clearly nothing, because I will lose only $50, which is 0.5%. So my drawdown is 10%, so I'm good with the rules. That's why you should adapt your margin regarding your challenge rule, or at least if you have a strict risk management, apply it strictly, and that's it. So for example, if I was with a 1,100 account, I will have trade with 10x more, because you have 10x more margin, or 5x depending of the challenge size. People, I like this coin. People, USDT. I never got what is the project utilities, but I like to trade this coin, because each time it moves, it's very clean. You can have, for example, 10 days uptrend very, very cleanly. Currently, this coin looks very shit. you can clearly see that under this level, all pump are only gonna be fake and trap. Even if you are here on support, is it a bearish continuation structure? Likely yes. So we are neutral inside this box and the bias is very bearish. So why would I enter in a long position here? I don't know. Maybe if it pumps target this zone, why not? But it can take few hours, even few days inside this box. So bye bye. I can say bye bye to people. GMT, no, this is clearly not a safe asset. Wood trade still okay. Yes, nice. You see my algo position is gonna print exactly nice. Exactly as I said at the beginning of the stream. Yeah, algo is likely gonna retrace here because it's not magic, it's just patience and market psychology. Without breakout after confirming a long-term trend, without retest, don't trade the swing. Wait for the retest to trade for a swing. The retest is likely gonna be here. So my take in my group, I posted long IDs around that box. Yeah, you see, as I said, when the trend is gonna reverse, we will see a sharp sell pressure, and it's exactly what's happening. That's cool, and that's why my strategy is very efficient, because you see I opened the first position here. I was at minus 40% with an X. Instead of panicking and closing, I trust my view. I said, okay, we are pumping, so I do this here another time. I put 9% stop loss, and if we touch stop loss, okay, I was wrong. Bye. I lose, but next time I will win. So that's it. And now I'm even more confident, but I don't increase the risk, because increasing the risk is never good. So my first TP is here, and the next one is here, you see. So I'm good, almost hit my first one. Yeah, here, yes. First entry was here, second entry was here in short. Pretty nice. And ALGO is gonna play very well. Up, and I can check its STO. Yes, for STO. Are we gonna see a break of COAI right now? Maybe yes. So let's go. Up, and I will repost the live. Important. So I will check STO. I see the French president Macaroni. He hates his country, but he is president. So I don't get it, but I don't understand why he's still president. But that's not the subject. Up. So are you still here, guys? Make some noise for the giveaway. And oh, say 10% up. That's nice. Seeing that lawyer one also going good. So I will check say and STO. Ooh, say price is very low. That's a top tier lawyer one blockchain with institutional partnerships. Wow, when the market is gonna be green with adoption. Wow, that's crazy. Ooh, look at the divergence, bullish divergence weekly on say. Yeah, spotted live with you. You can see if it goes on the daily, it may be even yeah, you see that's clearly an hidden bullish divergence. Wow. Is it a wall bottom, guys? Look. So if you look at the chart structures, it can be a wall bottom, because if we are on a weekly low, if we are creating a low here, which is very possible, meaning that the price could follow this curve. So usually on a monthly accumulation, the price can follow this curve without seeing any big move, but with time, for example, I already saw such a pattern. We are seeing this curve, and so that this is just hypothesis basing on the weekly divergence. But if the price starts to bottom here within few months, I think it can go very explosive. Nothing has been confirmed yet, of course, because online are still bearish, and it can just be a fake out as always. But if you look at this chart, it looks very like we are following a kind of curve line. Do you see it, or am I am the only one? If you look at curve wall bottom, yeah, wall bottom chart, I learned it from a book, but usually when you have such a chart, you can have a trend like this, and you can clearly see that not a curve, you see. But here it can take many weeks. Yeah, I will try to find a good chart reflecting the line, but I think you get it right. Maybe I'm wrong, but it can be the case. It can be the case. It was. Oh, it's open on blur. Nice. Let's see how it goes before. Yes, okay. So my blur position has been filled. Let me know if you are with me with this one. So this is typically a chart in which you need to put stop loss and low margin, because we can dump 10% in few minutes, but we can also take profit very quickly, many times in a row. So if you follow, that's not financial advice. Set stop loss and don't put high margin, because this is a very volatile asset. So for say, yeah, I just doing hypothesis, but I won't take any entry because we are still clearly bearish. Okay, maybe we have something. We broke clearly under, well, 70 days, so half a year downtrend breakout. Nice, with a bull divergence. So maybe that's the lower low before to start a big move, and it's clearly possible, as you can see on the H4. Okay, we have early sign of break, not confirmed yet, but if price currently on the H4 we are stuck inside this zone. If Bitcoin bottom and if the price stay stable, so if we break above that level here, then we can see a large move, much bigger than this one. But yeah, we need to push and confirm the reversal a bit more, but we can have, yeah, we can see a push 20% plus would be very nice. I think it's possible. Yeah, hey, pump it, blur, you are late. 0.025 here, 0.024 here. Pump it. Go is pumping, still on the trend. ALGO momentum is very strong, but I think it got stopped recently. KERNEL was also bullish. I shared a view, if I remember. KERNEL DAO. Yeah. Ooh. I think I got it. I shared. Wow, guys, look at this beauty. Yeah, I shared this view yesterday on KERNEL. I think it's gonna explode. Very nice, very nice. So that was, yeah, 31 March. Whoa, that's crazy. My view are insane each time. Something like this. That was the 30-minute view. No, you can see. I can't see the time frame here, but I think you get it. It was something like this. Yeah, wow, that's crazy. You see, I posted the break and we got exactly the same. You see the trend, same consolidation level. Oh yes, it was the same structure. You see, crazy. Congratulations if you follow this chart. Wow, 26%. Why I don't trend my own chart? Sometimes feel like all of my charts are good, but my wallet does not move. I should follow my line. This is crazy. Wow, and this is especially why you are so numerous to copy paste it. Boom, we were here exactly. That's why even on ALGO you can see such a break, retest, confirmation, and push. So that's why. Wow, that's crazy. And if you follow my K level, it was 0.14. So we are gonna push here, almost absolutely certain of it. Same structure as Blur. Yeah, you see, exactly the same. Consolidation above 10K June, confirmation. Wow, this is chirurgical accuracy. You see the lagging span matching perfectly. You see candle close, you see exactly trend, retest, resistance, retest, little fake out, but immediately grab with bull pressure, boom, now exploding. And I think KERNEL, yeah, you see on the daily view, yeah, KERNEL DAO might have a big news because it's gonna fly. And when you have such a clean trend daily, if you apply my strategy, you can earn 10, 20 times in a row, because if you DCA each time on red candle, 3% target during this lapse of time daily without any huge fake move, you can grab a lot of TP. And that's why sometimes you just need one chart to be profitable rather than chasing so many assets. So I found the good one. I think it looks like the best chart. Yeah, KERNEL looks very nice. If you have some news about KERNEL, let me know. I think the protocol delivered some news. You can check live. What are they saying? If you look at, we are pausing new deposit. KUSD. I will check more in detail, but usually when you have such a clean reversal in trend, meaning that adoption is likely coming because the product keep delivering and real use case is matching perfectly with the timing. Yeah, that's it. I will try to find a good entry on KERNEL because volatility is still big. If we look at, and remember that I have many positions open, but I also divide by 2 the margin. Usually it was 110x, but here it's 50 10x. So yeah, 2 times less risk, but similar strategy. So VP, yeah, if you look at, yes, nice. If you look at the volume, I don't know how would you say in English, my bad. Likely you have VAH around that zone, which can be a nice entry for a first DCA without FOMO. And you see, yeah, 3% is only here, so meaning that it can be very, very easily catch. Volatility is huge, very nice. Some volume, big volume, volatility, and very clean and confirmed trend reversal. So usually when you have such chart, that's an hidden gem on the market, because yeah, you see all line confirmation, breakout, retest confirmation. Such a chart you don't see a lot during a week, because most of alt market is under K resistances, and each time it pump as a trend and resistance retest, but without clean break. Here we shifted from bear to bull, and with clean confirmation on larger time frames. So that's why, yeah, that's why I'm very confident on such a chart, but I won't increase the risk. Yeah, so I said, let's say 0.1080. Yeah, oh, my bad for this one. Oh, only 1%. Okay, I thought it was more. So that's only 1%, but it will climb, I think. Kernel, yeah, you see, I said, okay, I said 0.1080. Oh, that's just here. Okay. Is there a spread? No, it's just here. Okay, so let's put, yeah, 0.10757. 757, quantity only. Here you see leverage 10x. This is the total margin, so this is 50 10x. My TP, let's say 3%, so $15. Regarding the whole margin, your energy got exhausted. Why? I'm not so crazy from the last time. You mean I need some yeah, something to wake up, but I'm currently concentrate for the up and the stop loss, let's say -10. Okay, should be good. Up, and I buy Kernel. Yeah, you see first TP here, and yeah, 3% here, first entry here. If it dump more, I will keep doing DCA because I have the market direction matching with my lines. So that's nice. That's nice. Let's go. By the way, what is the top fan on YouTube? I don't know. I'm not so familiar with it, but I like it. Up. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Thank you for sharing, guys. Up. Stay tuned for the giveaway. Also, we are gonna drop it. I will announce it tonight or later. By the way, you can join my groups. If you don't know, I have a link tree. I'm currently building a whole ecosystem website in which you will have a stream hub, all link, weekly newsletter, also market newsletter, stocks, macroeconomical events, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and major, I can say stocks outlook, major pair. So weekly, yeah, article, newsletter inside the website. So everything will be free as long as you sign up with my link on any exchange, or I will use also, I will have paid plan because I know that some people don't want to change their exchange, so it will be like $50 every month to have access to each of my groups, including the VIP, in which you can find a lot of setups and a lot of support, question, AMA, or everything you need regarding everything you need to know about trading experience or your trading journey. Yeah. So Kernel, is it matching with a kind of bull flag like this? Can be. Yeah, can be. You see it's matching perfectly with the VAH. So waiting a bit for this dump. Let's go. Yeah, it's turning red. ALGO don't want to dump. That was a very bad entry earlier, but I'm waiting. Still waiting. Up. Yeah, blur. I don't care about this dump yet. So yeah, don't forget to move on my trading channels inside the link tree page. Let's go for one more. Wow, what's this coin? NOM. I don't know. So many tokens. You know, I started on Binance. There was maybe 20 assets. Only Chainlink, TRX, Ethereum, Bitcoin was the top gainer each time. And now feel like there is thousands of assets. Every asset are done 95%. Disgusting everyone to invest. That's, yeah, very, very different cycle compared to what it was during the DeFi bubble, during the NFT bubble, and yeah, your own market investors are very different from the the past psychology also of the masses reflect very different pattern on the market, but we should adapt. That's why we survive in this market. Yeah, same as most of alt, very neutral zone daily, strong volume, strong uptrend, 100% up today. Yeah, typically the kind of chart that can keep exploding above the trend. But if you short too soon, you can get trapped with another big bad move. So yeah, I stopped to try to anticipate a bearish reversal when the trend is very strong, because anticipating is never good and can destroy your portfolio. Even if you also try to buy, what if it's the top and if the price do that? So yeah, nothing is sure. It looks like we are above previous levels, as you can see here. And if you look at the size of this dump, it's much stronger than this one. So usually it indicates that bears are becoming stronger. So my take could be this with retracement, yeah, toward 50% fib at least here, or why not golden pocket. But entry here could be very risky because we can still pump 10%, 15% with the volatility. That's crazy difficult. Market is crazy difficult nowadays. You have most of alts are not showing very clean trend, only price manipulation with large volume. There is no general uptrend or general downtrend because of Bitcoin sideways phase. So altcoin move are very difficult to trade recently because you have no global sentiment, global direction on the market, and structures are very tricky to trade. Yeah, not a good one because timing is not good. You said I can check Bitcoin, but I prefer to do it as a chart review, chart request with a large text. Not to trade it now because it's very neutral, so there is no point to trade it yet. You see, sometimes it's boring to trade. I open many positions and as you can see, no one is hitting any target yet. Maybe we'll be lucky to see a big move and seeing such target being hit today. Maybe it will take more time. You see, net PNL only minus 26, but I have 7 positions open, so the market is clearly not moving. I think I will be live on Discord maybe next time. I'm trying to see if it's possible to stream on both platforms. I will ask with the Mubite team. Also, yeah, why not to be live on Discord for Binance Square stream, I think. Why not? So yeah, because the quality is better on the boosted server. I agree, yeah. So I will ask, that's a good point. FTM, so Phantom also, wow, all asset. FTM. I don't have the chart of FTM. What? I think they delisted. Okay, I think they delisted each USDT pair. Okay. That's not the problem. I will talk about H bar. H bar. Same. This is typically a 5-second glance. I don't trade it. Yeah, XPL looks good. Yeah, XPL looks good. You see. Oh, XPL touched my target. Nice. Nice. Okay. Nice, guys. Congratulations. Yeah, let's go. Nice. Yeah, I think it's also hitting target in my VIP group. Wow, crazy accuracy. We entered here, very nice. Let's go, boom. Yeah, 25%, okay. As I said, yeah, that's cool for today. Keep increasing the win rate. I think in my group we are at if you look my group, yeah, we entered here and the price is, yes, that's TP3 hit, yeah, TP2, that's nice. As you can see, TP2 hit on my personal call in which I trade on my other copy trading account. By the way, copy trading, I perform very, very strong. As you can see, it will be open to public in June, because I'm still want to have a greater, higher time frame for analysis and for reviewing my strategy. But look, yeah, still very nice PNL on the copy trading page. I lost on river yesterday here, but we are making it, so I need to synchronize. I traded also XPL. So you see each trade $10, $15, $20 per trade. If you just make 10 win trade in a row with this strategy with DCA, you can make, for example, $160, $180. You don't need to trade yeah, like every time on your screen. You set your target, you leave, and if your trading plan is good, you can. Wow, nice TP. Oh, almost TP4. Nice. Let's go. Congratulations if you follow this one. Very nice. Nice, guys. And you see, sometimes I regret to not open more, because it's always like this in trading. You can. Wow, it's crazy. I entered here, guys. It's always like this when you open and when you have a risk management. Even if your margin is low, you always want to invest more after the trade move. But what if it was moving at the opposite? So that's it. I accept I could have earned more, but I did not take much risk, and I'm really proud to have applying my strategy, because I don't want to break the rule for the challenge. Now that XPL is making a big move, I will check if I can enter again, because my target is higher. Yeah, you can see TP3 hit on my lines. Yeah, TP3 secured. That's nice. That's nice. And you see, I happy I waited for a lower entry, because when I saw the structure, it was around that zone. And yeah, we waited almost 3%. So that's good. That's good. Very nice. So now that I have, yeah, you see the volume also tanking on the 15 minutes, meaning that you have some big pressure, plus the trend is very clean. Okay, I will try to enter again, yeah, around that zone. You have the POC here, and it can be a Fibonacci test. Yeah, you see, golden pocket Fibonacci test. If you can get it, that will be nice. So I will put another entry, because it's never good to FOMO with this strategy. Yeah, maybe you see the peak here, up, maybe, yeah, 0.071, let's say. Yeah, not being greedy, and I will do twice DCA. Yeah, I will enter here once again. So you see, I secured one position. I went in for a dump because the volatility is big. Quantity 500, not being too greedy. Stop loss, net PNL the same, $15. With the spread, you see, I earned a bit less, but I don't care. And stop loss, don't care. We can put 9%, yeah, -9. See, because I'm shorting. No, as I'm long, stop loss should be lower. But if you put positive stop loss, it will hit your stop loss, and you will close your position in losses immediately, because you will fill the order at negative price. So market order will be filled So if you trade on Clio, on Mubite challenge, when you long, stop loss is negative, so minus. When you short, stop loss is positive, because if price pumps, you lose. I hope you get it. So you see, yeah, I opened in my pending order, so I still have KERNEL also, yeah, I posted lower, and XPL. So if you follow me, if XPL price dump to 0.0970, it will open my limit order, and my target will be immediately set 3% higher, which is perfect, because if you look at my medium term outlook, the target is way higher, so that's pretty easy to follow the trend. And if you look at the global trend, yeah, that's very nice. I spotted the reversal here, exactly as I said. You see the lagging span up, broke above the Tenkan Kijun, above the inside the Kumo. Usually when you are inside, even if it's tiny part above, you know that bulls are attacking K level, and we are likely gonna see a break. You see also very interesting to see how price consolidating here above Tenkan Kijun. Remember, very flat, close to each other, meaning that you are creating momentum before to see a break. So this is a bull. This was a bull accumulation phase, and I well detected it again. So that's why if you put line each other with each time frame view, you are with my strat, with Froggy Vision, you are able to enter much before the others, because for sure most of people are gonna FOMO and enter when it's red here and not around that zone. So, and here you see up you have the flat Kijun, which is here, meaning that on the daily, exactly as I said, if we break the flat Tenkan daily, we can target the SSA 10% or the flat Kijun. Of course, we can pump much more, but as it's a daily level, always be cautious and not opt for reversal, because if you opt for breakout of daily level, good luck with your trading. I'm not with you. That's it. So that's why you see I got the breakout. We got this bull structure, yeah, reversal, likely. Oh, that was a beautiful, maybe head and shoulders, inverse head and shoulders, with the head, left shoulders, head, right shoulders, maybe. I don't know much about this because there is another structure pattern, but I think, yeah, it was clearly a bullish pattern, because I learned about market structure also. Sometime I forgot the name. That was an old one, but yeah, you see lagging span, no more obstacle before Kijun. Yes, I'm currently writing and working on some courses, but it will be only for private courses on stream. I will deliver PDF and more after my website open. So maybe I hope to open in July or in June my website. I will have a calendar with live courses. You can do cool book courses. I don't know about price, because you know it's a lot of time, and courses I must make it paid and not free. And you could sign up with a calendar, register. Maybe I think about $30 per hours, and I will limit it to 5 people, because it will be like not only video courses I give you. It will be live trading, live courses about different thematic. For example, about Ishimoku, how to detect resistance level, learning about each line. What is a Kijun, what is Tenkan, what is Kumo, when to detect reversal, when to detect a trend, bullish, bearish. So there is so many things to know, and I will do limited to 5 people, and it will be a kind of AMA section. So because everyone has different knowledge regarding trading, so it's good to learn from everyone, because you can pay for something, but you can also already know what is inside the courses. So I think it's the best thematic, if I can say, and it will be live in my website maybe in few months. We are working on it, Plus, people who book my courses will have access to the to many things more, giveaways and many other things we are working on. Yeah, thank you for your positive comment, guys. Yeah, as you see, oh, it's coming green. Yeah, Blur back in positive. Let's go. I think, yeah, we are clearly inside this accumulate. Yeah, I think Blur is gonna be good also. Let's go. You see, we have negative spread, so that's why I don't really care about them, because if I'm right here, it will be even easier here to touch my target. Only 3%, because if you secure your gain, it's much better, because this chart, this volatility, you are not aware to see a big bad move always. So if you secure your gain, and if after that you see a big dump, you don't care. You have your gain, you can open another position. That's it. That's why since I started with this strategy, I'm much more profitable. Trust me, booking TP, booking profit early and quickly, rather than hoping for breakout and being stuck in a long-term structure. Yeah, long-term pattern structure on the market. And also, I open swing play like $200 when I have a very nice entry with chart confirmation without stop loss, but I need to make some gain before. FET looks good also. Yeah, XPL was nice. So remember, if you just come, that we are gonna deliver 3 accounts giveaway, 10k accounts, so one $10,000 account giveaway will be delivered to you. It will give you access, so it's a prop firm, not your money, not your wallet losses, if I can say. You can trade with 10k, you only pay, the cost is $100 usually. No KYC required. You have to respect some risk management rules I shared in my channel. And if you are profitable, if you have a good strategy, you can really easily push your portfolio high and claim payout up to 90%. So that's very nice. And if you sign up using my link, let me share my link, because yeah, here we will get your email and you will be eligible for giveaway, so to a 10k account. Sign up here and let's continue. Up, and we are using Bybit, Binance liquidities here on Clio website, and you can also trade on a demo account on Bybit. So this is a demo, no need to KYC. And if you lose 10k, so, which will not be the case, of course, you won't risk your own money. So that's why it's like doing a loan, but you have a big capital to trade. And if you are a smart trader, you can really make good money with risk management. If you are not, if you are a gambler, bet with very low margin, if I can say, but you have to respect the challenge rules. By the way, I spotted, FET, that was FET USDT. I would like to chat. Okay, guys, I'm now live since 1.5 hour. I think we are gonna end the stream after this chart. Ooh, I like FET. I like it. Looks like a bullish expansion pattern. Yeah, looks very nice. You see here, we pumped up. Very nice. So this is the last chart, last chance for you to sign up using my code. Yeah. FET looks good. You see, yeah, this is clearly a bullish retest. If we hold above the yellow zone, I already charted it, I remember now. Yeah, we are bullish on the H1. Yes, nice. You see, lagging span, very interesting to see. Lagging span is following the main trend. You see, double bottom here, retest of the cloud. Now on the H4 we are breaking above the cloud, the Kumo. I think, yeah, I'm gonna try FET, yeah, because chart structure looks very good. So let's go for yes, and this time 1K because FET is very nice. And stop loss, yeah, I will put 8%, should be okay. In that case, targeting 3% should be very easy. And stop loss, I said -9, yes, okay. So I open FET market order because the chart structure looks really nice. You see, oh, I like this chart, and you understand in one glance why that's absolutely crazy. FET is gonna fly, and you know when I say it's matching 90% of case because, yeah, the chart structure is very clean. That's crazy. You see, so that's why you see I adjust my risk, and if I can set depending to the time frames and to the daily view. So here on FET I have all confirmation retest, lagging span, switching momentum. We have a bullish, if I can say, what is the pattern, general pattern structure. Let me check. Oh, we have a nice trend also, but I know almost for sure. Oh, guys, yes. If we look at this structure, yeah, that's nice. It may be a bullish expansion channel or a rising wedge. Can be something like this. The top is likely gonna be here, but if it's a bullish ascending accumulation channel, then yeah, it's likely gonna explode, exactly as I said, because if you look at the daily, we are now bullish. And when you are bullish, when you break, you see, whoa, that's crazy, because yeah, this is the first time, whoa, very interesting timing, this is the first time since October 25, let's say, even, wow, that's crazy. If you look at Ishimoku, absolutely insane. Ishimoku daily view, lagging span is here, wow. This is the first time since April 25 that we are shifting bullish, clearly bullish. So meaning that almost 1 year of downtrend is about to end. So usually you know that we are gonna see an explosive move. So I think it's possible to have such expansion structures. So timing matter H4 chart here, and if we hold above this yellow zone, it's likely a very nice entry to me. Let me check with the, yeah, if you look at the weekly, it makes sense because we are still under the large Kumo, meaning that we can have a big correction phase. Likely, yeah, very important level here. You see, some people don't know about that trick, but yeah, 0.39, and likely, yeah, this top, no, 0.46, but so it makes sense for me to see FET following this curve before to see maybe we are inside the weekly correction phase. So don't think it's magic, but you will see. I'm almost certain that in maybe 10 days, in 1 week, FET is gonna be a top gainer one, because the structure reflect strong breakout incoming. So sorry, I had the okay, but as long as we remain above 0.2250, we are bullish. If we are unlucky, we can revisit the 0.20, 0.2050 level in case of market checkout. So that will be a very nice point for DCA around that, yeah, around that double bottom here. But generally, yeah, if we are lucky above the yellow zone, it's bullish. If we have a market check here, it's also bullish. So you see, maybe, yeah. But technically, long term looks very nice for more push because we are in a bullish territory and the trend has shifted clearly. So I open the long here. Okay. ALGO is dumping nicely. Yes, I think ALGO is gonna hit my target. Yes, nice. Remember, ALGO bearish divergence, we hit daily high in my opinion. I'm bullish. Yeah, I posted a view on ALGO if I can mind. No, that's one. Yeah, spot call. You see here, green zone, boom, before another market explosion. So my take can be something like this. Yeah, because if you remember, we are breaking out $260, 260 days downtrend plus, yeah, very clean retest. So if I'm right, we are in a daily correction after this touch. You see, yeah, you see the accuracy. We need to retest the Tenkan Kijun and the previous level before to confirm further bull. Look at the H4, this is very interesting. Market break, you see very overbought. That's why also I spotted a divergence. I entered a bit soon, but it's okay. I do DCA. My wallet will likely thanks me for doing DCA and not panic close. And step by step, you see RSI is gonna drop. People are taking their profit. Early buyers are already up, yeah, 30%. That's logic for them to take some profit. ALGO is a top tier lower one blockchain, so it's surely not a shitcoin and manipulated one. You can clearly see that trend structure is clean. You don't have any fake large tail. So if we respect the trend structures, yeah, next step should be this. So I'm just taking short inside, yeah, inside this level, and I think we are gonna make it. My target is here and here. Almost back at break even for the first, yeah, back at break even. $15 PNL here, minus 13 here. My DCA paying, nice. Yes, of course you can win. Just join our channels. If you keep learning, keep being consistent, you will. By the way, before we end, remember it's not a financial advice. I'm not responsible of any losses. Crypto market is very volatile. If you have some question, I can answer quickly. By the way, good night, because it's late for you, Mr. Lee. And I think we are gonna end the stream here. If you have no question, that's it for today. I will maybe sum up about the call. Challenge is going good because I'm already printing $600. I will cash out at 1,000 PNL and claiming for my first payout, so that will be nice with a certificate. Confirming that I'm able to trade and to maybe teach. I don't know if you think it's good. And that's it. Hope you are doing well for this live, and see you later. And I will announce the giveaways winner maybe tonight or tomorrow. Yeah, for the courses I already answered. I'm working on it, so it will be live soon on my website. Thank you and see you. Bye.